What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Check it out. We got the MAXX V2 Basher Body, and we're gonna go take it out of the box and see how strong it really is. All right, check this out. Before we go and open this Basher Body box, I just want to show you guys what we are running on the TRAXXAS MAXX. First off, this is not your standard TRAXXAS MAXX. This is the version 2. We have it pretty fairly well upgraded. And we'll just start off. We have the PnwRcMadness carbon fiber tray with Kevlar strap. We are running a Hobbywing MAXX 8 with a stock motor, running it on 4S. Yes, we had a Vitavon rear aluminum bulkhead in there. I'm going to be taking that out actually soon. We have Trill on all 4 corners, hubs, knuckles, front and rear, Trill steering link, TRAXXAS camber links, and what else? We are running the Proline Badlands. These are the 3.8s. We are running the wide kit, so these steel axles, and then we have some shock boots on there from PnwRcMadness. You can actually find these on my website as well as the Trill parts. And real quick, we're gonna go ahead and do this upgrade, and we're gonna get it out in the dirt and check out this new body. Here we go.
There we go. There we go. Oh no, guys! It's out of the package! Oh! Crap! Oh, I fell down! But the body's still on! Let's keep... unboxed. Let's see what we got.
All right, check it out, guys. You've seen it, and I really haven't even seen it inside the box yet, but let's get it out and see how tough it really is. All right, here it is. BasherBodie MAXX V2. I can feel it's upside down. So, let's pull it out of here. Guys, they're wrapping. Oh my goodness. Oh yeah. So, there it is. MAXX version 2. Look at that. Oh, it's in beautiful shape. Lives up to its name, definitely. Let's go ahead, put the body mounting pieces on there, and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, here we go. Let's see how it fits.